That concrete oozing out from under the form means the shutters weren't tied off. Always secure your formwork properly and suit up with gloves and that reverse smack on a hidden stump sent the Jeep tipping. Always scout your backing path. Mixing that cement by hand in the wheelbarrow can fling caustic slurry everywhere. Always secure the barrow. Always twist that cap on tight and point the nozzle at your plate, not your face. Seeing that wall crack into and slam back onto the forklift shows why you must cordon off a demolition zone. Keep clear of collapse areas. That car flipping and skidding reminds you to always slow down before cornering. Keep both hands on the wheel and buckle up tight because a seatbelt. Cracking that egg onto the grate just sent your breakfast through the holes. Always use a solid pan. Riding a wheelbarrow train while stacking those pavers is a tip over waiting to happen. Always unload on stable ground. Bug-packed netting over your tractor's grill may keep insects off the engine, but it also clogs airflow and blocks your view. Opt for a proper cab screen. Riding on that bare planting bench is a tumble waiting to happen. Always use a proper seating platform with guardrails and chiseling that concrete floor by hand risks wrist strain and flying chips. Switch to a proper jackhammer. Brace your stance.